Hello everyone. If you ever get this message on your Toyota RAV4 2020, don't worry about if it won't start, if your radio is off, and if you say something like this, don't worry. So basically, it's very simple. Okay, your problem is low battery. Okay, even if you get the different message on your screen, that's all you have to do. Your battery is in the back of your car. You have to take the red connection out for 5-10 minutes maximum, and then after that the code will go away, and then you'll just have to jump start. That's what happened with me. So no problem, and everything's back to normal. Thanks for watching.